For writing and executing C and C++ programs, we require an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So IDE is a software where you can write and execute your programs. Alright, so there are various IDEs. I will be showing you one of the IDE, famous IDE, that is CodeBlocks. For using CodeBlocks, you must download and install CodeBlocks IDE on your laptop or on your computer system. So after installing it, you will be able to write on the program in that IDE. So I will show you how to download and install CodeBlocks, then how to write the program. So we will be writing the first program in CodeBlocks. So first of all, we will download and install, then we will write and execute our program. So let us download. So for downloading CodeBlocks, you have to open browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. So here I have kept open Chrome. So in the URL, in the address bar, type codeblocks.org. Just note down this name. This will help you while setting it on your own machine, while setting it up on your machine. So codeblocks.org. Click on this one. Go to this website. Yeah, here we are on the website where you can download CodeBlocks IDE. So on the left hand side, you will find various links given, and one of the link is download CodeBlocks. Here I am highlighting it. On the left hand side, you can see it. Click on downloads. The moment you click on downloads, you have various options here. So don't worry about all the options. Just click on the first one, that is download the binary release. Click on download binary release. And again here you have various options that you are downloading it for Windows, right? Or if you're downloading it for Linux, you have other options. If you are using another operating system, or if you're using Mac OS, different operating systems, the options are available. So you can download a proper software for your operating system. So I am assuming you are using Microsoft Windows, right? So here in this, there are various options are available here. There are various forms of IDs available here. So you have to select the one with MinGW compiler. So compiler should also be there along with the CodeBlocks IDE. So here if you see CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup exe. So you have to select this one. See, 20.03 is the version of CodeBlocks. MinGW means compiler is also available along with CodeBlocks, so you don't have to install compiler separately. MinGW is the compiler for C++, and also you can use C language also. So C and C++ I can say. Then next is setup exe. Setup exe means this is a setup file. Just you double click it, it will install CodeBlocks on your machine effortlessly. Okay, so select this one only. Now you can download it from various sources. So you can select the FOSS-Hub or sourceforge.net. from anyone you can select. So I will click FOSS-Hub. Just click on this one. The moment you click, it will start downloading. So it is asking the file name. So you can mention the file name CodeBlocks. That is, it is taking the same file name, that is MinGW setup. So say save, okay, and it will start downloading. So here it is downloading. So wait for it to download. Once it is ready, just double click on this one and it will start setup file, which will install CodeBlocks IDE on your machine. So say yes. So now observe the steps that you have to follow. The steps are very simple. You don't have to do anything. Just you have to go on clicking next, right? So click next. Then there's a license. Say I agree. If you want to read the license, you can go through the license. Okay. Say agree. Then these are the things, components that are going to install. So simply say next. It is going to install CodeBlocks in this address. So you don't have to disturb anything. Just say install. It has started installing CodeBlocks on your computer. Okay. Just wait for it to finish. So it has completed installation. Now it is asking us to start CodeBlocks now. You can simply start it. Okay. You can say yes, or you can say no, and you can start it by yourself. So I will say no. Okay. So then next it has finished. So setup is finished. Now you can check in the menu go to start menu, and here you can find CodeBlocks on the top. If it depends where it is available on your machine. Otherwise, just you can scroll down and go to the that is application starting with C, and you can select that one. All right. So CodeBlocks, as it is recently installed, so it is showing on the top. So you know well how to find it, so I don't have to teach you this one. So start CodeBlocks. So CodeBlocks has started. So now I will show you how to write your first program. All right, how to write your first program. So just click on File and say New, and in New select Project. Remember that for every program that you write, you should create a new project and write on your program. Okay, for every program that you write, you create a project and write a program. Okay, don't continue in the same project. And when you have selected a project, there are many options available. What to do now? So remember this one again. This one, you have to select console application, right? We will be developing all console applications. So you have to select this one. Select console application. All right. So create project, and you have to select console application. Say go, and it is asking you have to want to select C or C++. So we will select C++. So say next. Now you have to give the project title. So I just said that every program that you are going to practice, you create a new project and give proper name. See, whatever the topic is, you give the same name. So I will write down first here. So because we are going to write the first program here, so this is first. So I have selected project title as first. Then say next. Now just click on finish. It is ready. Now on the left hand side, you can find that the project first is available. It is created. On the right hand side, the window is blank. So actually you need a .cpp file for writing your C++ program. So if you expand sources, you will find main.cpp. Just double click on it. You will find a C++ program. A sample program is already given to you. Sample program is given to you. So just you can execute this one. So for execution, you can click on this icon, okay, run, or you can go to build and say run. So remember, for execution, you have to go to build and click on run. All right. So it seems that this project has not yet built. Do you want to build now? This is the option that you're getting. So I'll cancel it. And again, I will take you. Now go to build. Okay. Then instead of run, say build and run. So it will build means compile the program and then run. So the sample program that was given was hello world. So it has printed hello world. So that's it. So you have to create a new project, and every time you have to go to main.cpp, and in that project go to main.cpp, right? In that you will find some sample code. So you can remove this sample code. It is nothing but just hello world. Cout hello world is there. So you can remove this line and you can type your own program here. Okay, main function is already written, pre-written. Just you can remove this and you can write your own program. So that's it. So this is the place you have to write down your programs. All right. So I may be using different IDs. So you also have options for working in different IDs. So most of the students use CodeBlocks. So I suggest you to use CodeBlocks or practice online on any online compiler. Okay. So in CodeBlocks, this is the method. So if you face any difficulty, come back to this video again and watch it once again. All right. It's simple. The steps are simple. All right. So that's all in this lecture.